Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a quick look at the eufy HomeBase 3.
Or the S380 HomeBase. Both the
Okay,
same name, right?
same name.
Yeah, so this is really kind of cool. I happened to pick this up because I wanted to be able to use it on some of the eufy cameras that we currently have. And it's really neat because this HomeBase comes with 16 gigabytes of memory inside. So you can store your videos there because eufy lets you store videos locally to these HomeBases. And what's really cool about this is actually active right now. Is this HomeBase is cool because it has on the back here, if you look, it has the Ethernet cable to hook it up to your router and everything else, and power plug, of course. But a couple of USB connections in the back, so you can hook up an external hard drive, or even cooler is, let me see if I can get this off here. Inside, you can put another hard drive. So, for example, I had an older 250 gigabyte rotating drive that came out of like a laptop, and I put it in here. So I don't have to hook an external storage up to get more. So if I need more than 16 gigabytes, I have a drive there that's got 250 gigabytes to go along with it.
That's really neat.
It's really cool.
Yeah. And that's great because you can store all of your recordings in your own house. You don't have to send them up to the cloud.
Yeah. Now, the other thing keep in mind with this thing is that it has what's called the Bionic Mind AI, which, I don't know, what does that mean? But basically what it means is it does human detection, it does vehicle detection. What else does it do? Does it do pet detection? It doesn't say pet detection.
It doesn't say
so
pet
no
detection.
no pets allowed.
Well, I'm sure it allows pets. But the point of the Bionic Mind AI is that it keeps learning about what's coming on and going on with your own cameras, so it prevents false alarms.
Well, that's the theory.
That's the theory.
So we're going to try
see
that
how
out.
That works.
So when you do this, just check to make sure that your camera, your eufy camera, is compatible with the S380 or the HomeBase 3.
Okay, so that's it. That is the HomeBase 3 or the HomeBase S380. And it's got Bionic Mind AI, and it keeps all of your recorded videos from your cameras in your house.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.